Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. In this video, we will delve into the concept of franchising, a popular business model that allows individuals to operate a business under the established brand and operational framework of the parent company, known as franchisers. Essentially, franchising provides a way for entrepreneurs to start their own businesses using a proven system while benefiting from the brand recognition, marketing support, and training offered by the franchisor. The franchisee pays an initial fee and ongoing royalties in exchange for these advantages, which can include access to established supply chains and operational guidelines. One of the primary advantages of franchising is the reduced risk associated with starting a new business. Since franchisees are operating under a well-known brand, they often attract customers more easily than an independent startup. Additionally, franchisees benefit from comprehensive training and ongoing support, which can include assistance with marketing, management, and operations. This support can significantly increase the chances of success, especially for individuals who may lack prior business experience. Furthermore, franchising allows for quicker expansion for the franchisor, as they can grow their brand without incurring substantial costs associated with opening new locations themselves. However, franchising also comes with its disadvantages. One major downside is the lack of control for the franchisee. They must adhere to the franchisor's established rules and procedures, limiting their ability to make independent business decisions. This can be frustrating for entrepreneurial individuals who wish to implement their own ideas. Additionally, the initial investment and ongoing royalty payments can be significant, which may deter some potential franchisees. There is also the risk of brand reputation become negatively impacted by other franchisees, which can affect all locations under the brand umbrella. To illustrate the concept of franchising, let's look at a real-life case study. McDonald's, founded in 1940. McDonald's has grown into one of the most recognizable fast food chains globally, primarily through its franchising model. Today, a significant percentage of McDonald's restaurants are owned and operated by franchisees. This strategy has allowed McDonald's to expand rapidly while maintaining consistency in its products and services. Franchisees benefit from the established brand and operational systems, often achieving success due to the strong marketing and training support provided by the company. However, McDonald's has also faced challenges during maintaining quality control and addressing the varying performance levels of different franchise locations. In summary, franchising can be an effective way for aspiring entrepreneurs to start a business with a lower risk profile and strong support systems. So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.